Hey everyone, welcome again my channel. Is your microphone not working on your PC or laptop, whether it's a 3.5 mm jack or a USB mic? If it's not picking up sound or not even showing up, so don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix your mic step by step. Let's solve this in just few minutes, but before that please do subscribe to our channel. So the first step, check the cable and connection. Okay guys, first check if your microphone is properly connected or not. If it's a 3.5 mm of mic, plug in your mic port usually on your PC or laptop. If it's your USB, so make sure that your port is working, so try in a different slot. Okay, and next, so some mics have a mute switch or a power button. Here you can see in my microphone, here's a it is off now, it is on now. Do off, so switch off the mute button and make sure the mic is powered on and muted. Okay, the step 3 is go to sound setting, right on the speaker icon, bottom right click. In sound settings, go to input, then select the microphone that you want to test. You can see my microphone USB audio device, it is default devices, automatically it is connected. You can also adjust the input volume while speaking into the microphone. If the bar moves while you speak, your mic is working properly. Okay guys, if don't see the bar moving, go to test your microphone and select the start test. Okay, so this is the simple trick sound test settings that you can fix your microphone problems. And the second, still also it is not working, so you can also update or reinstall audio drivers. Okay, for that go to this PC and go to show more options and go to manage, then go to audio and input and outputs, go to properties, then you can also restart it, audio input and output. So that's all guys, or you can uninstall it and then restart the PC, and also try the mic on another computer. If it doesn't work there too, the mic might be faulty. Okay guys, so that's all guys. Now you can test your mic, or then open voice recorder or any app like Zoom or Google Meet. Then you can speak into your mic and check if the sound is being detected. How this is audio checking 1 2 3. So this is how it will work. If this video helped you, to give it a thumbs up, comment below in if you faced any specific issues, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one guys.